chapter 3, number 4. You're going to graph each equation here. Notice this is x equal to 1, right? So let's take a look where x equals to 1 is. So this is the x-axis, and this is where -1 is, right here. Okay, that's where it is. It's this bar here. These are all the values of x is equal to -1. This one has -1, -1, -1, -1, -1, -1, -1, -1, -1, -1. All these points have the value of x is equal to -1. So we know that this is a vertical line that crosses through x is equal to -1. Okay. B, y is equal to 5. Let's take a look where y is 5. This is where y is 5. And notice it is this dash value. So these are all the points that contain the y value of 5. Notice that this forms a horizontal line that passes through the y-intercept of 5 that has a 0 slope. C, this is the x, and we know from before, from A, anything that has an x is a vertical line. So we know that this is going to be a vertical line at x is equal to 4. This is where x is equal to 4. So let's draw our vertical line here, right? And that would be our graph of our function of x is equal to 4 here. Next, oh, is that it? There's only 3 problems. All right, so there you go. That is how we do it. Please remember, if it's an x equal to something, it's a vertical line. And if it is a y equals to something, it is a horizontal. All right, notice these only have 1 letter.